Canada has increased several immigration fees starting December 1, 2025, and these changes affect thousands of applicants worldwide. If you're planning to study, work, or restore your status in Canada, understanding these fee increases is now more important than ever. The 2025 fee increase mainly affects inadmissibility applications, status restoration requests, and International Experience Canada (IEC) work permits. Fees for processes like authorization to return to Canada, temporary resident permits, and criminal rehabilitation have all gone up slightly. Applicants restoring visitor, student, or worker status must now budget more, especially if a new permit is required alongside restoration. IEC applicants under working holiday, young professionals, and international co-op streams will also pay higher work permit fees. The Canadian government states these increases reflect higher operational costs, security checks, and system modernization. With growing application volumes since 2022, IRCC is using fee adjustments to reduce backlogs and improve processing efficiency. While the increases seem small individually, multiple applications can significantly impact students, young professionals, and temporary residents. Canada's 2025 immigration fee increases are part of a global trend toward cost recovery in migration systems. Applicants must plan carefully, budget accurately, and stay updated before submitting or restoring applications. Being informed now can help you avoid delays, unexpected costs, and immigration setbacks later.